Assalamu alaikum. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see 4 ways on how to create flows in Kotlin. Let's say you want to create a flow from a given set of items. So you know the items. You can use the FlowOf method or function. Let's say I'm having a character flow, for example, and you do it like that. You use the FlowOf method, all right? And using this FlowOf, you can give it the parameters or a var arc of the elements of the sets. Okay, so you give it, for example, A, B, and C. And then you can go and use your Charfaoui like collect and do everything. Okay, that's the first step. This is similar to rxjava.just method. So when you have a set of given items and you want to use them directly as flow, you can use the FlowOf method. The second way to create flow is using asFlow. This is an extension function for collections, ranges, sequences, and so on. So let's say I'm having a list, okay, and this list contains A, B, and C, and D, for example. You can attach a method called asFlow directly. And you can use this asFlow with collect, map, filter, take, and everything else in the flows. All right, that's the first one, for example. You can use it also with sequences and ranges. For example, let's say I'm having a range from 1 to main value or max value, for example. You can attach some parentheses here, and then you can convert this to flow like that. And you can use anything you want, map, buffer, take, and so on, and all the other flow operators. Let's say you have a condition in which you want to return a result of flow, but in other condition, you have to return empty. You have to return no flow or a flow that contains nothing. You can do it simply by using the emptyFlow function. Okay, so there is emptyFlow in the API, and you can use it with the type, of course. Okay, so this way you can return emptyFlow based on some conditions. The last type of the way you create flows is using the flow function, which return a code flow in which you can manually emit values. All right, so for example, let's say I'm having a char flow, okay, that will emit some characters. You can use the operator called flow like that, and you give it the generic type. Okay, so for example, this will return char. And here in the suspendable block, you can do whatever you want. You can emit value based on your conditions. So let's say the starting value will be A, and I'm doing condition, a while condition on some condition, I don't know, just a condition. Okay, and here I will use the emit operator directly to emit values from that flow. Okay, now you can see this char is grayed out because it's infer the type from here. And then I can, for example, delay it with 1 second. Each 1 second, I will emit values. So this operator will help you manually emit values from your flow. This is similar to rxjava observable.create. So we use this to create a custom observable in which we will provide our own values. So this is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos. Assalamu alaikum.